One of the many advantages of the Altro white rock system is that sheets can be thermoformed on site. Using this technique, all external and internal corners will have a continuous, smooth pencil-sized radius, which is durable and easy to clean. To create a thermoformed corner, take measurements from the substrate to the corner of the wall and mark these on the front of the sheet. Place the sheet onto the thermoformer at the marks and allow the sheet to heat up. Once the sheet becomes pliable, move it across the workbench and then manually form the sheet to the required angle. At this stage, it would be useful to use the long aluminium T-bar to support the panel while it cools down. It is possible to include more than one bend to the sheet using this process. Repeat the lining up adhesive process. Remove the protective cover from the double-sided tape attached earlier, then fit the sheet. For recess windows and door frames, it is normal practice to thermoform the sheet around the external angles and into the reveals. The window head and seal sections form separately and are joined to the adjacent sheet with joint trims.